Howdy folks, Brian with TnT Over 50 coming at you. Hey, thank you very much for stopping by my YouTube channel. I cook some awesome grub for my family and I just want to share some recipes with you. I use 2 air fryers, got a big old cooktop back here, got a big oven, got a big grill outside, and I use very healthy ingredients, which don't take very long to make. From the time you start prepping it, from the time you're sitting down to eat, 20 to 45 minutes. Anybody can do it. Very simple ingredients and very healthy. So if you're looking to up your health, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, get notified whenever I do put another video out, and browse around. Check out some of my videos, you're gonna really like them. So, see ya.